We're doing this once again. This is 17th year for the annual April event, ICCC Show Your Ride car show downtown on Mill Street. We got members all the way from California, Jacksonville, Florida, Detroit, Michigan, and farther you can see south. So this event go on every year. We do it big. People come. It's growing and growing. It's gonna get bigger and bigger. And I'm Barry Thomas, the president of International Council Corvette. Just Tilly Brooks, the former president of ICCC. I was his vice president for 2 terms. So now he gave me the rope, the ham, and so you know, I'm just gonna carry on the torch what he gave me.
All the way from East Texas, Tyler, Texas, and I'm part of the Southern Girls Corvette Club. It's an all-women's club, and what we do is promote women and how strong they are with Corvettes. What makes me keep coming back here, this is my 2nd year, is the camaraderie, it's the people, it's the city, it's the energy that it gives. And I love showing my car and speaking to people that have that same passion and energy for cars. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And this is for my sorority. The lady that did this, her name is Andy Air, and she's out of Tucson, Arizona. Follow her on Instagram. It's Andy, A-N-D-E Air, A-I-R. She is a phenomenal artist. She gets your history, she gets your what you love about things, and she creates it on canvas. So, DST.
doing, everybody? My name is Smoke. I'm from Georgia. I'll tell you a little bit about my car. It's 2006 base model C6. What I did was, it went from plain yellow, added a little bit of red, a little bit of black to it, just to give it some flair. Added the chandeliers, bar, and a K980 and ICCC, Memphis, Tennessee. It's my second year around. I won the first year, best in show, best interior, top 100. And trying to repeat my title at this point. I'll tell you a little bit about the car. So this time around, I gutted the interior, gave it a Tesla screen, put my glove box in. In my glove box, I got the AC unit, the radio behind, the racing seats, new steering wheel, hydrants at the interior, and the wheels are different. They were black last time. Got some black niches. I turned red. They got powder coated red. Got 20s in the back, 18s in the front. Okay, so our engine dressing was done by RPI Design. So RPI Design designed it. It was black. They gave me yellow with red lettering. The lighting is done by Lighting Trends. Great company. Everybody uses Glow Industry. Lighting Trends is probably the best out there. So, and also more remote headlights. See headlights. Bug eye. My wrap, it's a 4M paper that goes in the dark. So the whole car at nighttime when it's lit up, it'll glow in the dark. I got a demon eye inside. I don't have no high beam, so I got to give it a red eye. Again, and this is done by RSL. My wrap is done by JS Wraps. My interior is done by Extreme Customs. You can find on Extreme Customs on IG, RSL Automotive. You can find them on IG. JS Wraps, you can also find them on IG. You can see all the work done. My club, Secret Society, I have 50 members. About 17 of them done by the same guys. But this event is a great event, man. It's a great time to fellowship. That's most of all. It's not always about the trophy, man. Some of these guys we only get to see once a year at this event. So it's a great event, man.
What's up, man? It's Marvin. Everybody call me Hot Sauce. Houston, Texas, associated with the club H-Town Vets. Pretty much coming down to the ICCC car show. That's my second year down here. First year was last year. I had a blast. So actually, I just came back again to try to do it again next year as well. Love the light show. Won the trophy of the light show last night too. So hey, it's lovely. I have a 1998 C5 convertible. First year they came out with the convertible with the C5. Nickname is Hot Sauce, of course, from the color you see right here. Got a supercharged 5.7, 550 horses, top speed 200 miles an hour. Did it twice, so I know it's what it is.
It's number one hot sauce.
That's the record.
Hello, my name's Herb C. I'm from Sacramento, California. I belong to Family and Friends Corvette Club. I like to say this is my first time being here in Memphis. I missed it last year because I hurt my leg, but I will never ever miss this event again. It is awesome, fabulous. I mean, it is extraordinary. I mean, it's worth every minute that I'm here. The Corvette families here have so much hospitality and love to share. It's phenomenal. I couldn't say much more about that. I mean, they treat you well, you eat well, they make sure your rooms was right. They just don't hand you off to somebody else. They do that professionalism touch. I like to say, you got the Midas touch. These Corvette clubs, they have the Midas touch in Memphis. They do a great job. I love this event. This event is everything that I was told about, and now being here and seeing it, it's just so extraordinary. It's so extraordinary for me. I'm coming every year. It's just fabulous. I love the people. I love the place. Everything is nice. I mean, seeing all these cars and seeing so many black people being together, working together with no drama. Hey, it's just wonderful, and it's a great feeling. They always say, black folks say, we are crabs in a barrel pulling each other down. We need to change that statement. We crabs in a barrel, but we pulling each other up. This is a statement to that. They're doing more, pulling each other up, bringing a community together, and this is just fabulous.
Number 6, Collins.
The light show, well, I won a trophy, thank God for that. I love the light show. I want to give a shout out to Scott Maxwell of the Corvette channel. He did a phenomenal job hooking up my car. Matter of fact, he did everything on it. You know, we took a year to put this car together. The Corvette channel just did a fabulous job. His name is Scott Maxwell. You see him on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, just that light show was just phenomenal. It was great. There was so many cars, so many things. And just to see the camaraderie with other Corvette enthusiasts and enjoy the fun and time, it was just extraordinary. I don't have the words to say it. It was so great and fabulous. What I'd like to say to the youth is, you don't have to sell dope. You don't have to sell drugs. You don't have to do none of those things. You can be a professional. You can go to school. You can do better. You can earn some of these same things. If our young people today see what's going on when people come from their hard work, it can be done. It can be done. And we don't want nobody to give us nothing. We can get it ourselves. We have the attitude to do it. All we got to do is keep pushing for the altitude to go higher in life. What I say to black people today, believe in yourself, work hard, be true to yourself, be good, be more than you think you can be, and you will get there.